How do you define coefficient of restitution? To define coefficient of restitution, let us consider two different bodies, A and B, approaching towards each other. Now let us say that body A collides with body B. If UA and UB are the velocities of body A and body B before collision, and VA and VB are the velocities of body A and body B after collision, the relative velocity after collision will be VB minus VA. Then, the relative velocity before collision will be UA minus UB. Now, if we take the ratio between the MOD of relative velocity after collision and the MOD of relative velocity before collision, this will give us the coefficient of restitution. Thus, we can define coefficient of restitution as the ratio between the MOD of relative velocity after collision and the MOD of relative velocity before collision. Mathematically, coefficient of restitution is represented as MOD of VB minus VA by MOD of UA minus UB, where MOD of VB minus VA is the relative velocity after collision, and MOD of UA minus UB is the relative velocity before collision. Note that the coefficient of restitution is a unitless quantity. Related terms are the impact of bodies and perfect collision. Question. Remember keywords. Related terms are remember diagram, remember definition, useful information.